Oppo has launched two new smartphones under Reno series in India called Oppo Reno 13 and Reno 13 Pro. Among this two, the Oppo Reno 13 is slightly downgraded version of the Reno 13 Pro smartphone, with quiet identical design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Oppo Reno 13 smartphone. The Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC6 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of optics, the Oppo Reno 13 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.9 by 74.73 by 7.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 181 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 13 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 37,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 39,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from January 11th, in ivory white and luminous blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.